GIS technology for us is quite mature in that we have an awful lot of existing data sets in my city, in Glasgow. We have almost 1,000 geospatial data sets. Some are very small, some are very specialised, some are very general. Looking at them in a wide city context for all operations across the area, so not just for example, for street lighting, or not just, for example, for employment benefits, not just, for example, for regeneration, but looking at them in the whole, and by putting them all together, we start to see patterns and trends. We start to see opportunities in the data, showing us where our weaknesses are, where our strengths are. And sometimes they're not so obvious if you're just looking at a simple set of data in a flat level. It's the 3 and 4 dimensions of smart that add the value to what we're doing. So some of the data is just hard graphed. We sit and we collect it ourselves. And some of it's very mature because we've been a city council for a long time. We've inherited a lot of information from local governance. Some of the data that we're collecting now is sensor data. We've installed sensors on our street lighting. We have all our traffic signals censored, and there is 2 gigabytes of data being generated every 5 minutes on that, so we know what's happening to all our traffic flows. So it's a mixture of old traditional static methods and modern technological methods, some done with sensors and some through just simple measurement. But again, you put that all together and we realise what we need to do is employ even more sensors in the Internet of Things. That's becoming the real driver for everything smart. Another way that we do it is in terms of public transport. One of our major bus operators has Internet of Things sensors in their buses. If the bus is going to be early to a bus stop, that's not good for customers because they could miss the bus. So the bus is temporarily and very slightly at all the previous junctions just slowed down, and the red light is a bit longer than it should be to make sure the bus is on time and not ahead of schedule. The drivers and the general traffic are completely unaware of it because it's tiny little adjustment. The Internet of Things and smart technologies are being used to publish a lot more of our information than our data. So customers can then self-serve instead of having to phone a call centre to look for something or look on the internet for something. They can actually see if a dark lamp, if a street light is out, instead of saying it's the street light in a certain area, they can actually tell us exactly which one it is. Works orders can be raised automatically. The customer's always kept informed with emails or texts going out to them, so it's just much more engaging.